This is the 1983 Proline 17 Center Console. And let's start in the aft with this Evinrude 90 E-Tech. This owner repowered the boat. This motor's still under warranty. He also had new controls put in, and you'll see all the gauges look new as well. And you'll see in the aft there, we've got a couple storage places. And then of course the helm seat flips forward and back. And then you'll see on each side rod storage. And then if I face forward, that'll bring us up to the helm. And the owner's got a GPS that goes with this boat. You'll see a picture of it in the listing. He just doesn't store it on the boat. And then you'll see storage cabinet, all your switches, your gauges, your stereo, and then open up on the storage on the bottom, and you'll see you've got your dual battery with switch right down here with an easy reach. And then we'll go ahead and turn her over. Fires right off. And that will bring us up to our bow. And you'll see here in the bow just great seating. You also see some rod holders. See a big cooler this owner's using for storage. You're gonna see storage also under the seating. And here's a good view of this bimini. And you'll see the bimini looks like it's in good shape. And now we're at the time where we talk about condition report and name opportunities for the new owner to improve this boat. First and foremost, this boat is almost 40 years old. Obviously, it's a renovated classic that someone really cared for. They even repowered, and it just shows really nice for a 1983. So whoever buys this boat, though, has to understand it's a 1983 boat, and they're buying this boat because they just love the classic look. You know, it's a very clean, all the non-skid looks good, the fiberglass looks good, the vinyl looks good, and of course it's been repowered. It just looks like a fun little Proline runabout that is pretty unique. Like, your neighbor will not have this runabout when you're going down the canal doing a cocktail cruise. So I really like the boat. I think it's a lot of fun, has a lot of personality, and looks like it's ready for some summer fun.